when you beginning to work in the machine, connect the air in first. Connect the air. Okay. And then about 4 kilo. You need to adjusting. This for adjusting here. You see, 4 kilo, about 4 kilo. Okay, 好吧 ，okay. And then 哪里？哦 ，connect the power. Okay. Yeah. Open the power. Okay. This is our another customer agent. Our agent. Okay. You need to first to adjusting the frequency. Make one screw to here. You need to see the meter. You need to making the frequency. See the frequency. 低一個。
調上水吼，唔調一直硬，唔調一直硬。
Not over 1A, not over 1A odometer. The frequency cannot over. If over, you need to adjusting this for this. If this is just touch, cannot always place. It is for touch. Adjusting the frequency. Okay. After you finish the frequency, you will change. This is English. Okay. And then adjusting. This is auto. This is for fielding. And then this is for cutting. And then this ultrasonic leader for control. And then motor for this. Okay, you. According the time to adjusting the height. And then adjusting the fence to fit. You see this? Cậu à? This is the waiting time. This is according your time size to making. Okay. Then make sure automatic. Okay. 好的，放1、2个。